So let's start from there. Since you brought up the play, who's the best theatre director you worked with?
There's no question. Kunal Vijaykar. You know him? My go-to soul food is Gujarati. Twinkle Khanna had gone there. And she's written a piece on that pizza, the black truffle pizza. That has to be the best pizza ever. Or Malaya, Lao.
Arab food is coming only.
Okay.
But let me tell you a little bit about Scotland. Is that if you're ever dying for Indian food, if you go to any pub in Scotland, they will have chicken tikka masala. It is bloody spicy. Okay.
I didn't know that. This is Hindi, mashallah. But you speak so good now. कहाँ सीखा तू?
नहीं. It's a nice day for a lazy lunch. I'm in Bandra. The place, the cafe is called Mac Street Cafe, and I'm meeting a friend, an old friend who I've known for about 30 years. He's an actor, he's a director, he's a writer, he's a producer, and he's all kind of things. But above all, he's a friend. Let's go meet Rohit Roy and eat at Mac Street Cafe in Bandra. और पूछते हैं खाने में क्या है. So as I said, here he is. What I would like to call him really, besides being actor, everything else, is my really good friend.
Yes.
Yes, Rohit.
That's it. That's
Thank
it.
you. Thank you for coming on our show.
No, let me tell them how I've come on the show. Usually actors are hounded for interviews. Here I've been hounding him so that he calls me on his table.
He's being very, very humble about
No,
this.
not at all.
But listen, you're looking good.
Thank you.
I don't understand, considering that I'm much younger than you.
Yeah.
Why do you look younger than me?
Because I work very hard when it comes to my body. That helps me stay confident. In our routine, you know how it is, यार.
Absolutely.
आज काम है तो कल नहीं है.
Correct,
तो जब
correct.
नहीं होता है तब confidence build करने के लिए muscle build करना पड़ता है. But today there's going to be nothing of it. I'm going to eat.
Today we're going to eat. No?
Today we're going to eat.
So we are in a place called Magazine Street. It's in Bandra. It's very happening, as you can see behind me. And I'm just happy to have Rohit, who I'm actually meeting after a very long time.
After a very long time.
Yeah.
The last we met, I think, at some play in town, and that's the last we met.
So let's start from there. Since you brought up the place, who's the best theatre director you worked with?
There's no question. Kunal Vijaykar. You know him? Thank you.
Yeah,
Wow, this is
Rakho.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Kunal Vijaykar is somebody I did a play with. My first play, my debut on theatre, in a show called Unfaithful.
Yes.
And it was, that's what gave me confidence, honestly. I've never told you this. That's what gave me the confidence to do theatre. Because untrained actor doing television, movies, 15 takes, 16 takes.
You've been very, very humble about
No,
this.
I swear,
Let me
yeah.
say untrained actor doesn't mean that, because you've been acting forever before that.
Yeah, but I mean, I was untrained in the sense I didn't know what theatre dynamics were, how to stand. You told me one thing that, open yourself up. I said, open kisko dikhane ka hai, yaar? So that
Open
those
position.
things, kind of, helped me when I did my next.
Yeah. And you've done plays off and on whenever you found the time.
Then I haven't
You've done
stopped since
theatre.
then.
Yeah. So besides being, and there are very few gine chune TV actors or film actors who continue to do plays, not theatre.
I wonder why. Because I think unless you do theatre, I wouldn't regard you as a bona fide actor. I shouldn't say this on camera because most of our superstars don't do theatre. So I think it keeps you alive, it keeps you vibrant because you get immediate reactions here.
Correct.
Like I remember we did the show in that college in town. Jai Hind?
Jai Hind.
And my entry used to be the second half entry when I was coming behind the curtains. I could hear that, oh. Just that was enough for my confidence building.
True. Which you never really get
Yeah.
when you're shooting for television. Please start.
Yeah, I'll start.
And today we've decided to follow no diet. I know he's extremely well, sort of, how do you say? You
I have a kadak diet. Too kadak. Sometimes I wonder, I said, मैं जिंदा क्यों? But then if I was to eat all this every day,
for days like this.
yeah, only for days like this. So I feel I'm doing well. I've earned this.
Okay. So I'm going to go back to the beginning of, say, Rohit Roy. And when I say beginning, I mean, you spent a lot of time in Gujarat as a boy, did you? No?
Yeah, so I grew up in Ahmedabad.
Huh.
My entire life till I was 19, 20, I was in Ahmedabad. I studied in Xavier's, I went to Xavier's school, then Xavier's college. And then I landed in Bombay, in the big bad world of Bombay. And I was like, every time somebody used to compliment me, I should look behind के मेरे को बोल रहा है कि किसी और को बोल रहा है. Confidence zero. You come to Bombay, the arc lights hit you, but it was nice.
But what are your sort of, since this is a food show and we talk about food all the time, and you also married a Gujarati.
Gujarati. You can take the man out of Gujarat. You can't take the Gujarati out of the man.
So Mansi, who herself comes from a great lineage of theatre actors and is a great actor herself, what about Gujarati food? Is it one of your sort of happy places?
My go-to soul food is Gujarati food. Mansi is not so fond of Gujarati food because she grew up in that environment. She was eating. Acha, so if I don't get that, my Bengal, my Gujarati dal, so the way I eat rice is not the way we eat rice, like basmati, fusmati nahi. Ambe mohar.
Ambe mohar.
Good. And I need, that is my soul food. And when I'm really dying, I tell my mother-in-law कि दाल ढोकली मोकलो ना उसके ऊपर घी डाल के हो that's my go-to.
वेंगनानु शाक, दाल ढोकली, चावल,
सूखा आलू. But that's it. और उसके बाद अथाणु तो मिल ही जाता है वहाँ पे. So yeah, that's still my go-to food.
Listen, on that note, please start eating.
Should we start?
Okay, yeah, please start.
Yeah,
Let's see what we have over here.
बातों के साथ-साथ खाना भी जाना चाहिए ना थोड़ा.
So wasabi prawns, you start. I'm going to start with the avocado salad. It's something that
This smells also yummy.
you can go for it, man.
I'm going for it.
Yeah. So this is called Max Street.
Max Street.
They have a Max Street kitchen, Magazine Street kitchen.
Magazine Street kitchen. That's
which is in an old part of Mumbai called Magazine Street.
Oh.
रास्ते का नाम Magazine Street है.
Interesting.
So it's an open kitchen over there, and then there's table of course, and Iktara, which is a Indian takeaway, which is also good food.
I've had it from there. I just didn't know that it belongs to them.
So we were talking about remaining healthy in your mind and in what you eat, even if things around you are collapsing, for example.
You know, or the other thing also I've realized that a lot of people feel very guilty after a meal. Like I'm having truffle fries and wasabi prawn and of course the salad is healthy. But people feel कि अरे यार आज मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया. That is the worst thing to do to your system. खाओ तो ऐसे खाओ कि आंख को लगे. जो पुराने ज़माने में हमारे माँ बाप बोलते थे कि when you eat happily. Everything is energy. This is energy. So when I told you that today there is no diet, I meant it.
Yeah.
I'm going to eat it all.
No, and I also have learned, that it's very important to smile and appreciate what you eat. A lot of people ask me, you are very biased. You never criticize anybody's food. तू जाता है हाँ good ही बोलता है. So there are two things, okay, Rohit. One is, why would I choose to go to a place which is not nice?
Exactly.
I'll choose a good place to go to.
Yeah.
And secondly, कोई जानबूझकर खराब खाना नहीं
बनाते. Correct.
कभी-कभी कुछ एक दिन ये कुछ हो जाता है.
Off days है. और माल आया. लाओ.
अरे food is coming only. What is this?
Corn and asparagus dumpling, raw mango crispy lamb.
Raw mango.
Crispy lamb.
तू डाइट क्यों कर रहा है?
मैं कहाँ कर रहा हूँ?
तूने ये भी नहीं खाया, ये भी नहीं खाया.
मैं कुछ डाइट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं खा रहा हूँ. चिप,
please.
French fry, truffle fries, cheese डाल के.
You know, I wish if today Mansi was not shooting, I could have got her. Love.
Great.
करेंगे ना? तो जब food podcast करेगा तब करेंगे.
You have suffered me as an actor also.
Of course.
For years and years we did my debut on television.
This Hindi, mashallah, but you speak so good now. कहाँ सीखा तू?
नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ. मैं पुराने एपिसोड देख रहा था. Okay, अपने बात बन जाए was a television series that we did, a sitcom that we did, quite successfully with a stellar cast.
You would have gone in for 5 years.
Yeah, and I watched myself speak in Hindi on a multicam setup, which means you're doing pages of lines.
Yeah, non-stop.
Non-stop. And I'm thinking, कैसे बोल लेता था मैं? Because the first day I came on that set, I was shitting bricks.
I know. No, but also I feel that was your charm. The character worked because it was like that. कि मैं एक दिल्ली का हिंदी स्पीकिंग गाय और उसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड फ्लैटमेट ऐसा है. I think that worked and that cokiness. So I reminded myself that in Friends, that guy who played the bartender or the cafe guy, he was very close to the character that you were playing in a way.
Correct.
And he was not. Oh, thank you. This looks good. Thank you. I'm done with this. Thank you. Oh, since you started about Baat Ban Jaya, story I wanted to tell you, which I was discussing last week. I met Goli Uncle. So Goli Uncle is the legendary Ranjit. He was playing my next door neighbor. So you remember the episode when Asrani Saab had come in?
Yes.
So we came like we used to do. We used to sit in my room, makeup room. The girls came. We rehearsed.
Yeah.
And at 4 o'clock, we finished the episode. And Asrani Saab was, beta, ho gaya? I said, हाँ sir, बोले पूरा हो गया. हाँ, वो पूरी स्क्रिप्ट तुमने दी थी, हो गया. And they were used to shooting 9 to 9 every day. And at 4 o'clock, I said, pack up. And he said, क्या हुआ? कुछ हो गया बेटा? I said, नहीं, असरानी साहब क्या हुआ? Another very legend है. He said, मतलब मेरा पूरा काम हो गया. I said, पूरा काम हो गया. पूरा episode, entire episode has been canned. And he couldn't believe it. Goli uncle told me the story the other day. बोले वो बहुत उदास हो गया था मेकअप रूम में आके. Because they are not used to going away home before their shift finishes.
Yeah, absolutely. One of my fondest memories of Baat Ban Jaya is your makeup room, because
Yeah.
we'd arrive in the morning, we'd rehearse the lines,
Yeah.
everybody's doing their makeup, and then we'd break for lunch, we would eat in a room.
Yeah.
Because food would come from everywhere.
Those 2 years were magical. Everybody loved everybody. I think that's why the show worked out that way. There was no animosity. कि इसकी
chemistry.
line ज़्यादा है, मेरी line ज़्यादा है. Those two girls were also kadak.
It was a good time. It was a good
Rakhi
time.
and Nikki, both. And actually Rakhi was the star of that show, supposedly before they started.
But she was
Because me and Nikki had never done comedy, and she was Hampach.
Hampach, yeah.
Legend. And then by the time we finished, we were the stars, you and me.
Yeah. Okay, these are hangover noodles.
Okay.
Now you and I haven't drunk anything.
Anything but we shall try.
But try करते हैं देख.
थोड़ा टेस्ट तो करना. Ah, that looks good. डाल दे पूरा चीज वीज आज तो हो जाए.
तू चीज बड़ी है.
बस. See, your Hindi is not bad, यार. You're learning.
But what you have to have is this, because this crab rice is looking very nice.
Oh man, this hangover noodle is something else. Mind blowing. I love crab.
So tell me, like we were talking about Baat Ban Jaya and the good time that we had, I'm sure during your film career, there will be moments that you remember, moments which are related to food, your travels. Well, that tell us something, no? Thoda sa.
Travel's the most of it, but the maximum fun that I had was I was hosting a show which was based on The Bachelorette. And we had a madcap Mallika Sherawat in the Indian Bachelorette. And I was, for 2.5 months, we were stationed in Udaipur. That has to be the wildest outdoor shoot I have been. Because we were shooting all day, sometimes all night. But so much fun, the crew was happy. We had these 24 people vying for Mallika Sherawat. And Mallika Sherawat used to just look at me and say, why are you married, Jawad? I said, ये 24 लोग आए, उसको देखना, मेरे को छोड़ दे. So we became
बीवी को देखना नहीं तो.
हाँ, फिर बीवी भी आई थी. मेरा 5 अप्रैल को मेरा बर्थडे था, तो we were still shooting, so she had come for that. And no, what I'm trying to say is that we used to have such great fun. So like Baat Ban Jaya, everybody became like this family. Here you were stationed together.
You're living together.
Yeah, I wish. I wasn't. And then we got invited by the king of Udaipur for dinner. And we were all called there, and this whole thing was laid out for us just to get into his house and see all those pictures of all the dignitaries. It was amazing. And then the food. I have to tell you this about food. You know Lakshraj.
Yeah, we just shot with him a few weeks ago.
So, did he make the
Jungli
dal
mutton,
bhat for you?
jungli mutton,
He made jungli mutton. So, in the afternoon, I met his father, and when his father is there,
Arvind Singh Mewar.
Mewar Sahib, then Sahib takes over the whole space. So we didn't speak much. The next day I told Lakshraj, I said, Lakshraj, Bhabhi Sah ko lal mas khana hai. I just told him that. Mansi said, I've come here, I would have lal mas. Next morning at about 11:30, I see Lakshraj, the prince of Udaipur, carrying a dekchi. Two guys next to him who are like guards, carrying a dekchi, and he comes in and he places the dekchi and he comes and sits on a table like this, which was prepared for me and Mansi. And he says, आपने बोला तो भाभी को लाल मांस खाना है. मैं सुबह से लाल मांस उनके लिए बना रहा हूँ. I said, but Lakshraj, why did you tell that? नहीं, वो एक जो मजा आता है, एक जो प्यार आता है
बनाने में.
that is unparalleled. I know my cook will put the same spices, he will shake it the same way, the stir the same way, and I couldn't. मैं तो कायल हो गया उसका. He's been my best friend since that day.
No, he's a wonderful fellow.
Yeah.
So we also shot recently.
I know, I saw some bits.
And he was great.
He's so cool.
And that mutton that he made, 4 ingredients: ghee, mutton, namak, mirchi.
Correct.
और कुछ नहीं इसमें.
Correct.
Now this is
This is what I had ordered.
This is what you've been
Mind
waiting for.
blasting. वैसे ये खाऊंगा कैसे मैं समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
मैं
उठा
काट
के
के खा. मैं करता हूँ ना. What am I there for?
We were in Scotland. I'll tell you about Cape Town later, but we were in Scotland and we were doing an 11-day road journey. Me, Mansi and Kiara. When we reached Oban, I said, boss, Oban. So we did the whiskey trail and I said, boss, Indian khana hai. Kiara was very little that time. She said, Baba, I want Indian food. I said, what do I do? So I Googled ye wo, and about an hour away from Oban, there was a Bangladeshi restaurant. And we seeked it out and we drove for 1 hour because I had my car. And that satisfaction of eating that curry and rice and dal, unbelievable. But otherwise, yeah, we try all the local food.
But let me tell you a little bit about Scotland. Is that if you're ever dying for Indian food, if you go to any pub in Scotland, they will have chicken tikka masala.
Oh, really?
They will have naan and they will have madras curry on it. So it is bloody spicy, okay?
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Especially
But in Scotland, I used to have only the pot pie.
On Thursdays, it's curry night.
Oh.
So, oh, very nice. Looks very nice also.
Juice.
Woo! अरे क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं यार?
You're going to cut this? You're going to do the honors?
Yes, my dear. Anything for you?
Happy birthday to me.
Lobster roll shared between the two of us. Chalo.
Oh my gosh.
You know, Mary Jaan, besides Gujarati food, Bengali food, if I asked you what your favorite cuisine was, what would you say?
Italian.
Really?
Always been. I don't know why. My daughter's called Kiara. Now do the math. There's an uncanny connection with Italy that we have. We went to Italy for the first time, fell in love with the place. But before that, we both used to love Italian food. Maybe because I was a middle class guy, the first big restaurant, fancy restaurant after I started making money was an Italian restaurant. And something must have struck me. And then Kiara was born and Mansi was shooting with somebody who had adopted a child. She was Italian. And they had named the child Kiara. And
What does Chiara mean?
Pure. It comes from Saint Ciaran, the last in line of the saints, Saint Ciaran. So they call it, they say it very nicely. Chiara. When we went to Italy, everywhere they used to go, oh, your name is Chiara. Roll the R's and all that. But yeah, so Italian is something that again is like very close to my soul food. If you give me a good pasta, I'll be smiling.
A nice homemade pasta.
Yeah.
Listen, and contrary to what people may think, even a good pizza is a good pizza, boss.
Boss, talking about food.
Naples.
We went to Paris. And in Paris, there is this really small place in the middle of all that market. Twinkle Khanna had gone there. And she'd written a piece on that pizza, the black truffle pizza. So Mansi said, we have to go there. I said, chalo, we went, we seeked it out. Little small place, just this much. That has to be the best pizza ever. My God.
You're going to share the name with me.
I will.
And I'm going to try and share it with everyone. Let people go and eat nice pizza.
Yeah. Superb.
Go ahead. It's been a good meal with good conversation. अब थोड़ा मीठा भी होना चाहिए ना?
हाँ.
After such a big
हम लोग बेशरम है पता है, यहाँ तक खाना बढ़िया है,
हाँ,
बट यू कांट डू विदाउट द डिजर्ट।
एक डिजर्ट एक तो
एक
बनता है ना, बनता है
वो
ना।
शेयर। और मैंने सुना कि यहाँ का चेस्ट लेचेस बहुत अच्छा है।
Yeah, it's
You want to do the honors or should I?
I will do the honors. Wait.
Go for it.
Go for it. और ट्रेस रिचेस का ये
हाय हाय हाय, वो नहीं हुआ तो मजा नहीं आएगा। सीधा खा, सीधा।
सीधा?
बूम, बूम। और क्या, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसे पर्दा? 1, 2, go.
go for it. I've learned.
More coming.
Coconut pineapple.
Okay.
This
You
is
know-
black forest mousse.
Oh wow. Thank you. You know what I love about Max Street guys? That they're always giving us new, more things.
Yeah.
So my diet has gone for a toss.
But you know, so this is my lesson from this episode.
What?
If I can eat like you and look like you,
You can. But then, so next 6 days, don't do it.
I won't. And then I'll have to do a little
थोड़ा तो करना पड़ेगा।
कसरत करनी पड़ेगी ना थोड़ी सी.
थोड़ा, जब मेरे को लोग बोलते हैं ना, मेरा भी पॉडकास्ट है ना सर, fitness में से, Unstoppable।
Unstoppable.
Plug कर दिया।
Plug करो, कोई बात नहीं.
मेरे को उससे सर,
कहाँ देखने का ये Unstoppable?
YouTube पे देखो,
Okay.
Unstoppable।
Right.
तो लोग मेरे को आते हैं, सर आप इतने सालों से स्वाभिमान में जैसे दिखते थे अभी भी दिखते हैं। सर बहुत मेहनत करता हूँ, पर ये खाते हुए देख के ये मत सोचना कि मैं हमेशा ये खाता हूँ।
नहीं, मैं हमेशा
चल
भी
तू
नहीं
वो
खाता.
दूसरा वाला कर, मैं अभी इसको वापस थोड़ा एक लेट्स प्ले रशियन रूलेट।
Yeah. Oh.
टू गुड।
Rohit, thank you very much.
It's been a pleasure
मजा आ
and
गया.
all my hounding has brought fruit and I'm here। मजा आ गया।
मजा आ गया.
नेक्स्ट तेरे को आना है मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे,
100%. No
क्योंकि
question
ये जो
about
हमने खाया आज तूने मेरी नजर से देखा, अगली बार मैं तेरी नजर से देखना चाहता हूँ।
it. Okay.
I'll tell you why. A lot of people say कि अरे यार fitness मतलब you have to look like this. That's not true and that's the myth I want to break on my show. You could eat, you can look like this and you can still be healthy. That's it.
Superb. और अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज जैसे कहते हैं ना, राइट टू अस, कमेंट कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा.
सब्सक्राइब करो।
सब्सक्राइब.
राइट वाइट गया तेल लगाने, सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल,
Most important.
शेयर इट, टेल पीपल अबाउट इट। खाने में
क्या है? बेशर्मी से प्लग कर रहे
करना चाहिए,
हैं.
लग नहीं करे। नाउ डोंट टॉक टू मी, लेट मी ईट फूड।
You eat your dress.
नाउ नो एक्टिंग ना, बंद हो गया भैया।
बंद हो गया.
Mind
माइक भी
blowing.
ऑफ कर लो चाहे तो.
हाँ नहीं माइक में सुनना है सुन। Since I'm eating, I might have been
No,
eating
no,
problem.
of course, please eat properly. Don't go with me. मैं वैसे भी शूटिंग के समय मेरा माइंड इधर उधर जाता है तो थोड़ा कम खाता हूँ.
कम खाता है? हाँ
किसी को बताना मत, मैं कम खाता हूँ.
हाँ, किसी को बताना मत भाई।